In your book, you talk about this Rabbi Meir Shapiro.
Meir Shapiro, yes.
Yeah.
There's this book up there.
Really?
Yes.
Who wanted to build the Yeshivat Chachmei
He did.
Liebland, yeah.
He built it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then there's a song that he sang, the Amarti.
Amarti, mataragli, chastecha Hashem, yisadeni. Amarti, mataragli, chastecha Hashem, yisadeni. Amarti, mata ragli, chastecha Hashem, yisadeni. Amarti, mata ragli, chastecha Hashem, yisadeni. Berov sarapai bekirbi, tanhumecha yishashu nafshi. Now you read the translation.
All right. Well, you said that he composed this from Psalm 94 because,
Okay,
remember, because he was depressed.
okay,
Yeah. Because he was depressed because he was running out of money for this great
Okay.
yeshiva.
yes.
Did you want me to
You
read it?
remember, well, as far as I'm concerned, they may not know it, so you should read it.
Okay, the translation. When I thought my foot had stumbled, your kindness, Lord, sustained me. With many cares within me, your consolations delighted me. Yeah. So this was the yeshiva that you would have liked to study at when you grew older, right? Because you studied at the Yeshiva Ketana, right?
That's right,
At Rachev, right?
that's right.
But your teachers were disciples of Rabbi Meir
That's
Shapiro,
right,
right?
Meir
And
Shapiro,
and that's how
yeah.
you learned this song, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the fact that he just made up the song to make himself feel better. You know, he felt.
Well, he may have felt better.
Yeah.
I think singing helps.
Yeah. I think so too.